How on earth some afford a new phone, enjoying weekend trips, or using a gaming laptop, all while being a full-time student? You ask them casually, and they smile, saying something vague like, "Oh, just a little side hustle." Well, today we're going to uncover that secret. We're diving deep into the real world of low-cost side hustles that students are using right now to make steady, reliable income. Not years from now, not after graduation, but today. Society issue is still number one. Freelancing digital skills. The first one is something that's quietly changing lives in dorm rooms everywhere. Freelancing. If you can write, design, edit, translate, or even organize social media posts, there's someone out there willing to pay you for it. Freelancing used to sound intimidating, something only professionals could do. But in 2025, the barriers have disappeared. Students are earning from home by doing small gigs, writing blog posts, designing flyers, editing short videos, or creating digital ads for small businesses. You don't need a degree or an expensive laptop. You just need proof that you can deliver value. Start with simple projects, learn free tools online, and build your portfolio with every job. The moment people start to trust your work, your rates grow, and so does your confidence. Imagine working just a few hours a day and covering your rent with it. That's not a fantasy. It's happening right now. Side issue as daily number 2, online tutoring. Next comes one of the most classic but still powerful student hustles, online tutoring. Think about it. If you're good at a subject, why not get paid to help someone else with it? Students around the world are earning by tutoring others in math, languages, coding, or even basic computer skills. All you need is a stable internet connection, a camera, and a way to explain clearly. You can tutor younger students, international learners, or even your classmates. Platforms make it easy to connect, and if you record your sessions, you can later sell or reuse them. The beauty of tutoring is its flexibility. You control when and how much you teach. And unlike other hustles, the more you teach, the more confident and skilled you become. It's income and self-improvement combined into one. Side HUS daily number 3, social media management and content creation. Now let's talk about something that dominates every student's free time, social media. But this time, not as a consumer, as a creator, or even better, a manager. In 2025, small businesses are desperate for help running their Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube accounts. They don't have time to post regularly, track trends, or engage with followers, and that's where students step in. If you understand how to make short videos, design posts, or write engaging captions, you can easily start managing accounts for local brands or online shops. You don't need an agency, you just need results. And if you'd rather create your own content, that works too. Many students are building faceless YouTube channels or TikTok pages where they share study hacks, finance tips, gaming content, or relatable stories. And those channels, once monetized, can pay for years to come. Social media isn't just for fun anymore. It's a digital economy, and if you're smart, you can take your share of it. Side issue is still number 4, digital products and PRAT on demand. Here's where things get even more interesting. Earning passively while you sleep. Students are now making money by creating and selling digital products. It could be something as simple as a study planner, a resume template, a digital art piece, or even an ebook. Once created, you can sell it repeatedly without additional work. You upload it once, and every time someone downloads it, you earn. If you're creative, you can take it a step further with print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Upload your art, and when someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. You don't have to handle inventory or delivery, just design and promote. This kind of hustle doesn't explode overnight, but over time it can become a consistent stream of income. You're literally turning your creativity into cash. Side HUS daily number 5, NICROTS and remote EGIGs. Let's be real, not everyone wants to teach, design, or create. Some just want something simple and straightforward. That's where microtasks come in. There are thousands of small online jobs that pay you to complete short tasks, like transcribing audio, testing websites, labeling data, or answering surveys. It might not sound glamorous, but it's a low-effort way to earn extra cash. The trick is to focus on reliability and volume. If you do enough tasks and stick with reputable platforms, you can easily stack up meaningful income over time. It's flexible, quick to start, and can be done from anywhere, even between classes. Side HUS daily number 6, where you selling and flipping ideas. This next one has been quietly making some students more money than part-time jobs: reselling. You don't need a warehouse or a huge budget. You just need to spot value where others don't. It could be used textbooks, thrifted clothes, or even old electronics. You find deals, clean them up, and resell them for a profit. Some students buy from thrift stores, others source from local markets, or even their own homes. It's the kind of hustle that trains your business instincts, buying low, selling high, and learning what the market wants. And once you master that skill, you can apply it anywhere in life. Sanity number 7. Local services and campus jobs. Finally, let's not forget the hustles right under your nose. Local opportunities. Not everything needs to happen online. Many students earn well offering small services around campus or in their neighborhood. Pet sitting, grocery delivery, helping professors with projects, organizing notes for classmates. The list is endless. These jobs don't require special skills, just reliability and trust. And the best part is, your clients are often people you already know, which makes it easier to build lasting relationships and repeat work. The mindset shift that makes society is work. But here's the truth most videos won't tell you. The hustle itself is only half the story. The real secret lies in your mindset. Every successful student hustler shares 3 traits: consistency, curiosity, and patience. They don't chase every new trend. They pick one path, learn fast, and stick with it long enough to see results. In the beginning, you'll probably make little money. That's normal. But every dollar you earn is proof that your time can create value. And that's what separates hustlers from dreamers. Because here's the beautiful part. Even if your first side hustle doesn't explode, the skills you learn while doing it will. You'll get better at communication, money management, negotiation, marketing, skills that will pay you back for life. Aluoking BION 2025. So, what's next? As we move further into this digital decade, side hustles are evolving. Artificial intelligence is making it easier to work smarter, automating video editing, helping you write, even designing posts in seconds. Students who learn how to combine human creativity with AI efficiency are going to dominate this space. The creator economy will keep growing, and so will demand for specialized digital skills. The world is shifting toward flexibility, and that means opportunities for students will only expand. The question is, will you adapt with it, or let others get ahead while you hesitate? So tell me this, if you had to start one low-cost side hustle this week, which one would you choose? Would you become a freelancer, a tutor, a digital creator, or maybe try your hand at flipping and reselling? Type your answer down below. I want to know what caught your attention most. And if you found this video helpful, don't just click away. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and join our community of young hustlers who are taking control of their financial future, one smart move at a time. Because the difference between someday I'll start and I'm already earning starts with one decision, and that decision could be today.